The Orbit 950 Dual Dash Cam. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Orbit 950 Dual Dash Cam by myGEKOgear. I will go over specs, features, provide day and night footage, then give my thoughts. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the front camera, rear camera, the front mount, car charger and the rear camera cable, user guide, and a micro SD card and adapter. The dashcam features the following: 1080p resolution, a 140-degree front and rear viewing angle, 3-inch LCD display, G sensor, supports up to 128 gig for the micro SD card, app control, parking mode, lane departure, front collision warning, GPS logging, speed alert, and wide dynamic range. Here is a rear camera, simple and small in design. It utilizes a 3M adhesive to mount, and it's adjustable to meet your desired angle. And this is the connection for the cable that will interconnect to the front mount. This is the front mount, also uses 3M adhesive, and it has a matte finish. On the top of the mount, you'll find the mini USB power slot and the rear camera input. The main screen is slim and it has a nice 3-inch display. You can see the front camera lens and it has the ability to swivel so you can get the proper angle when mounted. On the top of the display, you have the micro SD card slot. It comes with a 16 gig card with a maximum of 128 gigs. On the bottom of the display, you'll find the microphone, menu and return button, capture and up, power, cam switch, audio off and down button, lock, and OK. Connecting the front mount to the front display is simple. Just slide it into place. Once mounted and powered on, you'll find a very intuitive menu. I'm not going to go through each of the features, but you'll have access to the various settings. You can toggle them on and off. You have access to your media, loop recording, power settings, GPS, time zone, timestamp, and so on. Again, it's pretty straightforward. The dashcam also comes with an app, which will allow you to control and access your media, and it's through the myGEKOgear app. Now for some day and nighttime footage. I found the dashcam to work very well and I like the large display. It's easy to navigate and control. The installation process is quick and easy. The only thing that will take some time is organizing and tucking the cable that runs to the rear camera. The footage was very clear and it never lagged. Overall, the 950 Dual Dashcam is solid and packed with many features. It's simple to operate and the footage is very clear. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.